Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be talking about the one of the recent and much more in demand UiPath certification, which is Agentic Automation Associate. So, as per the current market trends and the ongoing demand regarding the AI agentic automation in UiPath, so this certification has come up and it's quite valuable addition to your UiPath journey and UiPath profile. So in recent time, like in all the interviews and the scenarios, so basically everyone is checking out for like if you have the agentic automation certification or any hands-on experience with it. So it's one of the very important feather to add to your hat. So yeah, so basically I'll just give a quick summary about it. And I also recently completed this certification, and to be frank, I'll say like it's not that much hard also. Like if you'll just go through the proper learning and if you have like little bit of hands-on experience, so you'll be able to clear it very easily or comfortably. So yeah, so I'll just quickly go through the documents which are provided with this. So firstly I'll go with the exam description document. So this is the one which is the description document. So the certification is named as Agentic Automation Associate this particular exam. And in this you can see the various details regarding it. So the products or the topics which are covered in the certification are around Studio Web, UiPath Studio Web, Maestro, and Pilot for Everyone. And these are the topics or sections which the particular exam will be covering. So those are agentic and AI and agentic automation concepts, context grounding, escalations, and all those topics. And you can find like much more in detail the descriptions regarding those. So this link or this document you can find using, if you just log into the academic.academy.uipath.com/certifications, and you can check out the first one, which is Agentic Automation Associate, the certification. And then if you just click this link, the exam description document, so it will open up this PDF document. So yeah, so this is the basic description of this certification exam. And you can see here like the validity will be for 3 years, and this is the exam number and exam title. And there are no prerequisites, like there are no prior certifications are required. If you haven't done any, like for some of the exams, like you need UiPath Developer certification or professional to go further with other certification, but for this one you don't need anything. Exam duration will be 90 minutes and passing score will be 70%, and exam fee is like around $150. So in INR, if we calculate it, so it will be like around roughly around 14,000 something. But I'll say like it's a good investment or addition to your UiPath profile. So in short, I'll say it's a must in current scenario. Okay, so moving on to the like how we should start it or how should we proceed with this certification. That yeah, so they have already provided the Agentic Automation Associate learning plan. So this learning plan will cover like all the topics and all the required information, required curriculum. So if I open this page, so this is that learning page, and if I show you the learning plan structure, so basically it covers 3 sections. So firstly is the Automation Explorer with the UiPath Studio Web. So in this one they'll be explaining you about the UiPath Studio Web, which is the like sort of a as we have a desktop version of UiPath, so we have a Studio Web version as well, like with limited capabilities, I'll say. So there you can also create the flows, and you can manage the few of the activities and things. So it will be a like little introduction towards that and showing the features around that. And then the next topic is the main one, which is the agentic automation. So in this they will be exactly explaining you how to create a prompt for the AI or the AI model to understand, so that it can produce the required results or the outputs, and how to sort of like how to manage it if like if there are any exceptions or any escalations meaning like if the proper result is not produced or any issue occurs. So in that case, how we can manage it, or how to what other information or directions we can provide to that prompt, or what controls we have that we can further handle it. So yeah, so all that training and all the information is provided in this particular area or the section. And then again, how to configure or evaluate the agents, like if it's producing the required results and is it up to the mark as we require. And then we have the last one will be the UiPath Maestro. So this Maestro is also like again a sort of a web tool or the web interface where we can manage all these automation agents, or like all these modules and the prompt engineering based modules which we'll be creating. So like this is again, it's sort of a orchestrator, I'll say, like to manage all these AI agents and things. So in short, if we say, so basically like this first part will cover around like 7 hours of your time. The next one is like for 6 hours 45 minutes, and the last one is like 2 hours 30 minutes. So like it's a little introduction towards the UiPath Maestro. So yeah, so like it will be explaining all those topics and giving you like little bit in-depth knowledge or idea, and it contains the hands-on exercises as well. So if you practice those, so you'll be pretty much good and pretty much okay to give the exam. And yeah, so this learning will, I think, cover all the topics and all the information which you need for the examination, and how to go or how to finally give the exam. So I'll show you that part as well. So basically, to book the exam, you have to log into this Pearson VUE website. So Pearson VUE, again, it handles the exam booking and exam centers. So firstly, again, after logging in, you have to find the exam. So the exam, you can enter the exam name as well, and there's a list of all the exams which are currently it provides. So as you can see, this is the first one which we can already see, UiPath Agentic Automation Certification exam. So you just have to click it, and then I hope my session is not logged out. So yeah, so then again you will have the three options here provided. So how do you want to take your exam? So like it's in person in test center you can go. So test center, like again, it will be a physical, I'll say, office sort of or institute will be there where you can book the exam, and then you have to physically go over there. Your IDs will be checked, and then you will be provided a system over there, so you can attempt or proceed with your exam. And then the second one is the online with on view option. So this is like, I'll say, I also personally have given my exam with this online method only, and it's pretty, I'll say, easy and much more flexible. So this one I chose and I opted with. So if you select this one, so you can see like first, like it will run the system test. So basically it will check your current machine or the laptop, like if it's okay for the exam to handle. Like it will check your video connection, your video camera, your internet connection, your mic, and all these settings, and like your overall system configuration that it can handle the exam. And then your testing space, like, so basically these testing space, your photo, and all these things will be checked during the final exam, and like the actual exam will happen. So that time your video camera will be on, and then when agent will come, so he'll with your video camera only, he will inspect the your space, like at what space or the place you are giving the exam. So it will check all the four corners of your room, so there's no another screen or anything, like, again, just to be cautious, there no disturbance is there, no any mobile phone or nothing will be should be there around you, so that they will check and take care of it. Once they approve it, so your exam will begin, and it will take like 90 minutes of your time. You don't have to like look here and there, you just have to focus on your screen. You have to give your exam, and once your 90 minutes are over, you can see the results then and there only, that if you have passed the exam or like what's the overall score you have received. So yeah, so I'll again suggest everyone to proceed with the online exam. That's much more better and flexible. And if you want to reschedule it also, like suppose if you're not able to give it on the selected date when it's approaching near, so you can reschedule it, I think one day before, like few hours before only, before the exam begins. So you can reschedule it, I think max 3 times you can reschedule as per your comfortability or as per your availability. So that option is also there. So yeah, so that's the overall idea regarding this exam. And yeah, so if any queries or any questions are there, just let me know, and maybe I can help you guys more, or if any other information or any other help I can provide, so I'll be happy to help. Yeah, so that's all for this session and this video, and thank you guys. Let me know if any queries are there.